Hello everyone, my name is Samin Mortazavi, lawyer with AFX Corporation in British Columbia and Ontario. Many employees believe that when they leave a company, they can take their customer contacts, client lists, pricing information, or business records with them. But recent court decisions in British Columbia show that this can be a very costly mistake. In a 2025 BC Supreme Court case called AFX Mining and Pumping Technologies Inc. and McKinon, a former managing director, copied company emails and confidential business data when he left the company. The court found that was strong evidence that he had taken confidential customer and business information and granted an injunction against him. The court emphasized that former employees, especially those in senior positions, may continue to owe duties of confidentiality and fiduciary obligations even after their employment ends. The court ordered the return of the confidential information and prohibited its use. This was not an isolated case. In Enwave Corporation and dehydration research, the court found serious concerns where confidential customer and supplier information was allegedly used to launch a competing business. The court granted an injunction and required the return of confidential documents. Even more striking is Cambridge Mercantile Corporation and Cook, where a former employee emailed over 1,700 customer records, including names, addresses, and revenue information, to his personal account. The court restrained him from using that information and from soliciting customers he had dealt with during his employment. So what is the practical lesson? If you are an employee leaving a company, do not assume you can copy client lists, customer databases, pricing information, supplier contracts, or confidential business records. And if you are an employer, remember that the court can provide immediate remedies, including injunctions, orders for the return of information, and restrictions on solicitation. Every case depends on its facts, but these decisions show that British Columbia courts take the protection of confidential business information very seriously. My name is Samin Mortazavi from AFX Corporation. If you're interested in legal tips, follow our page for more similar videos.